Hi, my name is Rachel Lopez, and welcome to my blog presentation. The brand that I have chosen this semester to represent is Google, and as we take a look at my blog, you'll see exactly why. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Okay. I chose Google as the brand I wanted to represent for this semester due to their undeniable success, their brilliant marketing, and their innovation with technology. They are known as the tech giant and have impacted the lives of so many as well as society as a whole. They treat their employees well and have strengthened numbers, employing over 85,000 employees. They have many products and services, YouTube, Google Maps, Google Chrome, and Gmail to name a few. They are in the 100 billion club as of 2017. Their product development reached 247 million users this year. Considering Google's target market is everyone on planet Earth, they've got a long ways to go. Google's top competitors include Amazon and Apple, but are keeping up in the race. Their packaging is simple and their distribution is easily accessible and found by consumers. Google offers a variety of services: search engine, web email, news aggregator, web browser, cloud storage, and many others. The search engine alone has 1.2 trillion searches annually. Google sells ads at $1 to $2 per click, and prices vary for Android products, but most of their services and apps are free. Google's promotion strategy promotes the idea that their innovative technology changes the world for the better and appeals to humanity. Overall, Google has impacted the lives of millions and has changed society with its technology. Many of their posts actually appeal to humanity because their latest Facebook post was of a video of a 13-year-old girl that used Android tech to invent a device that could clean water for the Flint, Michigan water crisis. When I watched the video, I got emotional and welled up, but come to find out after doing a little bit of research, that is exactly what Google aims for when they create their posts and their ads for themselves. So Google has impacted society as a whole, and Google is the tech giant of America. And they have changed so many lives and have made the world's data useful and accessible. Their mission statement is to let's switch it over to me. Their mission statement is actually to organize the world's data and make it universally accessible and useful for everyone on a universal level. And so although they have not quite reached their mission statement, they are on a great path to success in order to do so. So Google is an amazing brand, and they have done so much already, and I can't wait to see what more they have in store for us. So thank you for listening to my blog, and have a good night.